is a group of 8 friends went to play double tennis, tennis doubles. Okay. In how many different ways can the group be divided into 4 teams of 2 people? That means now there will be 4 groups, each group consisting of 2 members each, right? So 8 friends, okay, have to be divided into 4 groups, each consisting of 2 members each, right? So it will be 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Okay. Understand, guys, the 4 groups, let's call them as A, B, C, D. First group will contain, let's say, people A1 and A2. The second group contains A3 and A4. Next group contains A5 and A6. And let's say the last group contains A7, A8, right? So these two are alike and one type, they belong to one group. These two are also alike and second type, they belong to second group. These two are also alike and third type. These two are also alike and fourth type, right? So basically 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial 4 bar. That's the required answer. That is 40320 upon 16, 2520. That's the required answer in this case. All right, guys. So let's go on to the next question, and that is with the coordinate, with the x and y coordinate axis, the number of paths from 1 to 810, 1 to 810 basically via 4 6, where each step from any point xy is either to the x comma y plus 1 or to x plus 1 comma y is okay. So basically, ho ye raha hai, guys. You're starting from a point, let's say 1 comma 1, and you're going from 8 to 10. Okay, this coordinates. Okay, starting from here to here. Okay, but बीच में एक point आएगा 4,6. Okay, and from any of these points you can travel only from xy to either x to y plus 1. मतलब आप एक स्टेप ऊपर जा सकते हो या फिर आप x plus 1 to y, मतलब आप एक स्टेप to the right जा सकते हो, right? So you can travel only in the right or the up direction, and you're supposed to travel from 1 to 810 via 4 6. Okay, this is exactly what you're supposed to do. Okay, guys, so let's see. यहाँ पे we have a grid. Okay, 1 to 1 4 6 and then b as 8 10. Okay, तो हमें क्या करना है, गाइस? A to C का पहले नंबर ऑफ वेज निकालना है, C to B का नंबर ऑफ वेज निकालना है, एंड देन वी मल्टीप्लाई बोथ ऑफ देम, राइट? ओके, ना A to B में, गाइस, सी x चेंज हो रहा है 1 से लेके 4, सो मतलब आप 3 स्टेप जा रहे हो, राइट? एंड देन y चेंज हो रहा है 1 से 6, सो मतलब आप 5 स्टेप जा रहे हो, राइट? सो नंबर ऑफ वेज ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग इज 5 plus 3 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial 3 factorial, right? Same way, when you go from C to B, okay, x is changing from 4 to 8, मतलब you're going 4 steps towards the right, and y हो रहा है, guys, 6 से लेके 10, again by 4 steps, right? So 4 plus 4 is 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial to 4 factorial, right? Okay, अब इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है total number of ways. That's all we are supposed to do here right now. Okay, so 8 7 6 3 2 1 बचेगा, 8 factorial upon 5 3 factorial, and 8 factorial upon 4 factorial, 4 factorial क्या बचेगा? 8 7 6 5 divided by 4 3 2 1. You can cancel out with common terms. You'll get 56 times 70. The answer is 3920.